Now that prosecutors have brought charges against the officer responsible for the tragic killing of George Floyd, there are still many questions on the minds of people that I'd like to help answer, having served in the criminal justice arena as a prosecutor and as a defense attorney for close to 30 years. First, I applaud the prosecutors for moving fairly quickly to bring charges. So often in these high-profile cases, when it's so obvious to the public that a crime was committed, they wait months or even years before bringing charges. So that was done fairly quickly. Secondly, I think the charges that were brought are appropriate based upon what we know about the case right now. He was charged with third-degree murder. He's facing up to 25 years in a Minnesota prison and up to $40,000 fine for his crime, assuming he's convicted. With this charge, prosecutors are not alleging that he intended to kill, but had a depraved mind, a reckless indifference to human life. And that's what it appears to be based upon the manner in which he was pushing his knee onto his neck for the time that he allegedly did. So often prosecutors will overcharge just to appease the families of the victims or the public, charge it as first-degree murder when the evidence doesn't necessarily support it. Now, if they had a confession from the officer saying that I intended to kill him, then that's different than I just screwed up and I was reckless in my actions, which is what it appears to be. Now, the other officers may be charged if there's evidence proving that in any way they assisted the officer. They either aided, abetted, or counseled him in any way to commit the offense. There could be additional charges coming down later. There will certainly be civil lawsuits that people can bring as a result of them failing to protect George Floyd. So hopefully those answer your questions. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to me. Go to my website at speaktomark.com, speaktomark.com, speaktomark.com. I'm always here to be of service. And I wish you the very best, and I hope that justice is served in this case.